Formula Renault 3.5 Series, part of the World Series by Renault, now more than ever the gateway to F1. This year, Formula Renault 3.5 is changing. The car's more modern, more powerful. With the latest developments in technology, it's even closer to Formula One. After Sebastian Vettel, Robert Kubica and Albert Suari, Daniel Ricciardo and Jean-Éric Vergne this season, who will be next to reach the pinnacle? "26 drivers compete for a title that may open the ultimate door. For the very best, like Robert Wickens in 2011, a test with Team Red Bull Racing Renault. 9 weekends across Europe, 17 races, including support races at the Monaco Grand Prix and the FIA World Endurance at Silverstone. For more information, worldseriesbyrenault.com.